it's Maribelle, and I am coming to you with another scrapbook layout processing video. So I have this photo that I took with Sadness. She's my favorite character. And this past summer we went to Disneyland. So I wanted to scrapbook this picture. So I kind of decided I want my picture there. And I'm going to be doing some mixed media, so I want to mark where my photo is going to go. So just really light in pencil, so that way I know where my photo is without having to constantly do, okay, where's it at? Where's it at, right? So today I'm going to do a packaging method. So, just any package that you have from something that you purchased. So this happens to be something that from Tuesday morning. So I have my packaging here. And I'm not going to use that ink. I'm going to use, and I've been shaking this for a while, so you want to make sure, you shake it really good. And this is Heidi Swapp's Ocean Spritz. So make sure you shake it really good. So I've been shaking it a while before I started recording, just to make sure, because otherwise you won't get the full vibrant look. So what you want to do is spray some onto your packaging tape. Your packaging. So it's already wet, so you don't have to add any water. You just kind of move it around like that. And then you place it where you want it to be. Okay, so again, we're going to do some more. And I like to just put a little bit, because I like to have some control. If you put too much, you won't have that much control over it. And I want some control. And you might want to bring back your photo just to see. So I want some more. And again, just a little bit, so you can make sure you are maintaining control. Now I got this spritz from, I want to say Tuesday morning, but I'm sure you can find it at Hobby Lobby and oops. I'm sure you can find it at Hobby Lobby or at Michael's. Oh, I seem to have lost my plastic. I'll get a new one. Again, smear it around where you want it. And you stop when you think there's enough. So I think, for me, that might be enough. Although there tends to be more on the bottom there, so let me put some more. Okay, and that is the packaging method. Now you can use all type of mediums, whether it's ink or spritz or gelatos or watercolors. It really doesn't matter what you use, but it's a good use for all that extra packaging that we have for when we go shopping. And so it's just, I don't know, it's a good way to use that. Okay, so I'm just going to dry that really quick. And that dried pretty good, pretty quick. Okay, there's that packaging that I lost. Okay, now along with that, I'm going to use the same spritz and just put some dots in the background. Just to add some interest to it. I'm also going to add some Liquid Pearls Ocean Blue. I don't know if I've used this one yet. Oh, yeah, there we go. And just so anywhere that, you know, with the liquid blue, or with these gel pearls, it's more, you know, I'm going to wait to put this so that we could put it at the end. So we can put it exactly where we want it, right? Another thing that I'm going to be doing is putting a stamp. But let me see. That looks really good. Like that. So my plan is to put that there. I got this wonderful die at die cut from a scrapbooking expo that I had went to in the past. So I got that, and then I have my title, which is somewhere. Here it is. That I'm going to put there, like that. So I think what I want to do is add some black. So I got this wonderful stamp from Tuesday Morning, and it looks like a stitching. So I'm going to put some ink on my stamp. When it gets everywhere else, but on the stamp, right? Okay, and I'm just going to put it, on the side. And so I'm going to do another one, but this time it's going to go this way, just to add some interest. Okay, let's see here. I think I want to add some black spritz. So it's Black Soot from Tim Holtz. Again, just to add a little interest. And this, all this dries really good. Now, in case you're wondering, I did not put any gesso or anything like that to prepare the background, because I figured I wasn't going to put that much on there, so it'll be okay. Okay, so now I'm going to put down my photo. I recently had to take off my acrylic nails because one popped off, and since we are doing social distancing, I cannot go get my nails fixed. So that's what my nails look like right now. Not cute, but it's actually easier to scrapbook without acrylic nails. It's kind of better for me. Okay, and then I'm going to put down my die. And I want that to be about right here. Now I wish I could tell you which company I got that die cut from, but oh, you know what? I take that back. I know exactly where I got this from. This I got from eBay. If you go to eBay, you put Disney Inside Out Sadness, and then she comes up and it comes with a blue frame. But I'm not using the frame. But yeah, now it's coming. I thought I had gotten it from a scrapbook expo that I went to, but no, now I remember. I got it from eBay. Okay, so Sadness. Now I want to tell you about this tool that I'm using right here. It is from Thickers, and I got it from Tuesday Morning. So you put your title on there, just on the edge, and then you can see where you want your title. I know I want mine right here, so it makes it really easy to put down your title until you move it around or place it where you would like for it to go. And then you push down so it's on there. And then you move this to take them off. That's probably a better way to do it, but this is how I do it. I think I pressed down too hard. There we go. And these letters that I got are Thickers as well. So that way it kind of takes out the guesswork out of where your title's going to be and whether or not it's lined up or not. And this one kind of went to an angle. That's why you'll see this at an angle. And I think they do have a straight one too, but I didn't buy, I don't have that one. Another thing I'm going to do is I have this little heart stamp, and it also came in the same stamp set as the stitching. So I'm going to use this one right here, the little small one. And I'm going to use some black. And since Sadness is my favorite, I just love her. My daughter at one point had her hair like Sadness. And so, I don't know, since then, I've always loved Sadness. I just think she's so cute. I don't want to put any more than that. And then I have these clouds I kind of want to put somewhere. Let's see here. And I punched them out with this punch here. This is a Friskus. And I don't know if I want to use the light color or the dark color. Oops. I think dark color might be, but I think it adds interest when they're two different colors. So I think I'm going to do like that. Okay. So now I'm going to put these down with a little bit of and then I have some of this black pearls. That I just kind of want to put places, you know, things. The good thing about the pearls is you can put them exactly where you want them to be. So I think it's kind of neat that way, right? I don't want to put too much. And then I still have the blue one here. So the blue is ocean blue and the black is called onyx. So let me put some more blue here. So I put some on the top. I want to put some on the bottom. And I think it looks really, really cute. And I don't know where my date stamp is, but I will put the date. And I believe it was July 2020. Nope. Oh, 2019. Okay. And there you go. Other than letting it dry, it is all done. Thank you for watching.